You got a turtle. Oh boy.
Oh no. My first time catching my own turtle.
Oh boy.
Got a turtle. Oh, something on says it, and I was like, what is that?
He's gonna get you. What's happening there, buddy? Yeah. Right here trying to get everything ready. Harper's just wearing them out. Look, look, look. Wearing them out.
Daddy didn't even catch nothing yet.
Y'all hear that? Daddy ain't catch nothing yet.
Maybe I'll put a worm on. Are you?
No. Yeah, just want you to catch them. Daddy's gonna catch this big old 10-pound bass while you mess with his brim. Old pond's lost a lot of water since the last time y'all seen a video in here. Probably lost a good foot. Daggone drought we're in, I swear. Oh, there's some bluegill. Toss out right there. See him out there. Oh, got one swimming over there to you. Keep it still. Look, bruh, the brim cut my tail off, man. Dang.
That's okay.
Go ahead, son.
It's like when we're in a line, there's no this.
Blue gill. Look at him right there. Yeah, leave it right there. I'll get to it. Whole school of them down there. Look at them. Crank it up a little bit. Crank it up a little bit more. Oh my God, I just missed one. And look, he took my daggone worm, bruh. Crank it up, cast it out there in the pocket. He'll have a fish by the time I get back. But like I told y'all, look. I got another one. I got another one.
As soon as we're coming, I got him.
Ow.
There's one right there. There he is.
Alright.
Cool.
I'm dead fitting to see if he can't get something that's prettier.
There's a bass.
How big?
Already going again. I am a professional at this. My daddy hadn't caught one, and he did caught one. Literally 5, I think. A 6, I think. Yeah, I think so. Flipped out of the water. He's like, no, I'm not. He said, no, I'm not in the water. And then he said, don't, I'm on. I know.
Walk up here, son. You got boots on.
Your truck.
Yeah. Get your line tight. You think you can cast it in that pocket right there? Huh? Alright, leave it right there. Ain't got much weight up there, so he ain't got much control, y'all. Yeah, line tight, son.
That's a big one there.
I'll get your rod that way to get him out of the... You probably got a... Oh, ow, what a brim. Good God almighty.
Oh yeah, that's a giant.
That is a humongous speckled robin. My God. Look at that, y'all.
That boy had been sitting there his whole entire time. He probably waked up and he saw that and he said, okay, it's breakfast time.
Huh?
I'm gonna get some. Oh, a brim ate it. Oh, thanks.
The worm?
Other
Here.
brim.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, that's a bass actually.
No, that's a fish that we caught, not injured. Gotta let it sink down. You want your line straight, okay? Line get straight. There you go. If he blows up on the bank, we'll end up taking him home.
Okay. What they going to say?
Well, you got to catch them before they do that, okay?
Okay.
So I mean, hold the rod, man. Where you at today? You ain't paying attention, I know that. your rod up. Get your rod up. There you go. I want my dink, Daddy. Get your worms when you come. I'm gonna try to catch a freaking fish with your rig. Dagnabbit. I sweat in places ain't supposed to have it at. Up about here at dark. Ooh. I sensed them coming out of there. Oh.
No one ever judges them by the neck.
What, turtle?
Yeah, that's turtle by the neck. That's cut their string. But we don't want to do that.
Look, there's a bass right there, another bass.
Try smelling.
Yeah, crank up just a little bit.
Oh, yep, they're bluegill. I feel like we have to get
Crank up a little bit, crank up. Not much now. Slowly work it. Maybe pick your rod up just a touch. Make that thing move. Look, kind of bounce it a little bit. Bounce it, let it set down. I might not see it. They got to be able to see it too. Look, there's a little bass there. There he is. See?
That's a bluegill. There it is. That's the little one.
See, you got to have more talent to catch a little one than you do a big one. You know that, right? So you got to have real good talent to catch them in the lip. Go get us a worm.
Big one?
Just get a worm. Pretty old dragonfly. A dangle, dangle. Y'all, camera's overheating. We're overheating. I don't know how much footage is up here, but if there's not enough, then I'll add it to another one. So we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not catching no more.
Well, you done caught 50.
Done caught 50.
So you probably caught close to 20.
50.
It's a pretty day, but it just needs to be 20 degrees cooler.
Yeah. That one.
Anyway, we're about to take this one in and go figure out if we want to go feed deer in this heat. Probably not, because it's going to be raining the next couple of days.
Just try to bite some, leave my arm.
We had talked about going to go sit in a deer stand and watching the deer come in this week. Look at there.
It's a big one. Yeah, I don't know yet. Yeah, that's a big one.
I'm going to get off here to unhook this fish. We'll see y'all on the next one.